The electrical system drain service required warning in Ford EVs indicates a problem with the 12-volt auxiliary battery. This warning appears on the vehicle's dashboard, signaling that the 12 volts battery voltage is low. The 12-volt auxiliary battery powers vehicle accessories like lights and control modules when the main high-voltage battery is not active. The high-voltage system can leak current to the 12 volts battery, causing parasitic drain, especially when parked. Main causes include parasitic drain from the high-voltage system, faulty DC-DC converters that step down voltage, software issues, and aftermarket accessories. The warning activates when the 12-volt battery voltage falls below 11 volts or after several start-stop cycles. Regular voltage checks help prevent issues. Use a multimeter to test the 12 volts battery. A healthy battery should read around 12.5 to 12.9 volts. Lower readings indicate a problem. Ignoring the warning can lead to vehicle immobilization and potentially dangerous issues like electrical fires, as seen in some recall cases. Regular battery voltage checks are recommended to catch problems early.